Hi, my dear visitors. Today I am going to read a story called Henny Penny by Paul Galton. What do you see in this picture? I can see a sun, and I can see a chicken, and I can see a castle. One day, when Henny Penny was scratching among the leaves, an acorn fell out of a tree and struck her on the head. What happened? An acorn fell on her head. Goodness gracious me, said Henny Penny. The sky is falling. I must go and tell the king. What she thought? She thought the sky is falling. And she wants to go and tell the king about that. So she went along and she went along and she went along until she met Cocky Locky. Whom she met? She met Cocky Locky. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Where are you going, Henny Penny? Asked Cocky Locky. Oh, said Henny Penny, the sky is falling and I am going to tell the king. So Henny Penny met Cocky Locky and Cocky Locky asked, where are you going? She said, the sky is falling. I will go and tell the king about this. May I go with you, Henny Penny? Asked Cocky Locky. Yes, indeed, said Henny Penny. So, Henny Penny and Cocky Locky went off to tell the king that sky was falling. See, they both were going to tell the king. They went along and went along and they went along until they met Ducky Lucky. Quack, quack, quack. Where are you going, Henny Penny and Cocky Locky? Asked Ducky Lucky. Oh, we are going to tell the king that the sky is falling, said Henny Penny and Cocky Locky. See? Who is he? He is Ducky Lucky. May I go with you? Asked Ducky Lucky. Yes, indeed, said Henny Penny and Cocky Locky. So, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Ducky Lucky went off to tell the king that the sky was falling. So, the three went to tell the king that sky was falling. They went along and they went along and went along until they met Goosey Lucy. Honk, honk, honk. Where are you going, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Ducky Lucky? Asked Goosey Lucy. Oh, we are going to tell the king that sky is falling, said Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Ducky Lucky. May I go with you? Asked Goosey Lucy. Yes, indeed, said Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Ducky Lucky. So, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy went off to tell the king that the sky was falling. Who is she? She is Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy. And whom they met now? They went along and went along and went along until they met Turkey Lurkey. Who is he? He is Turkey Lurkey. And where are you going? Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy. Oh, we are going to tell the king that the sky is falling, said Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy. May I go with you? Asked Turkey Lurkey. Yes, indeed, said Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky and Goosey Lucy. So Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy and Turkey Lurkey went off to tell the king that the sky was falling. So they all went to tell the king that sky was falling. They went along and went along and went along until they met Foxy Loxy. Where are you going, Henny Penny? Cocky Lucky, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and Turkey Lurkey asked Foxy Loxy. Oh, we are going to tell the king that the sky is falling, said Henny Penny. Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and Turkey Lurkey. Aha, said Foxy Loxy. See what she said? She said, ha ha. But this is not the way to tell the king. Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and Turkey Lurkey, come with me and I will show you a shortcut to the king's palace. Oh, good, said Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Lucy, and Turkey Lurkey. They went along and went along and went along until they reached Foxy Loxy's cave. My God. See, this is the fox cave. She's so cunning. In they all went after Foxy Loxy. See, all the animals went into the cave. From that day to this, Turkey Lurkey, Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Cocky Locky, and Henny Penny had never seen again. And the king has never been told the sky is falling. What happened to all the animals? The fox ate all the animals. But Foxy Loxy and Mrs. Foxy Loxy and their 7 little foxes still remember the fine feast they had that day. See, they ate all the animals. They seems very happy. Bye.